Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Alex Steele alongside Paul Sweeney. Let's get to some of the market drivers within the overall indices here. Bloomberg cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee is joining us. All right, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at JM Smuckers. It's not a good day for the stock, down by 13%. So the company said U.S. tariffs that are increasing the cost of their coffee business would weigh on profit for the coming fiscal years, estimated at $1 a share. So Citi analysts said they were already concerned ahead of the results, but then when they heard the results, this was even below the most bearish outlooks that they have heard. So this is a big deal for Smuckers because it owns Folgers and Cafe Bustelo coffee brands. I don't know if you guys drink those.
Folgers? No, because I'm not my grandmother. Oh, like that. I was like what you would drink. I just mean like for me.
By the way,
like
you're supposed to
school.
say J.M. Smucker is in a jam.
Oh, I see.
I see. Yeah, that was really
Never
great.
mind.
Okay. Nice age reveal here. So last fiscal year, the company generated a third of its revenue from coffee. And since June last year, Smucker already increased its coffee prices 3 times, and they're expected to boost them again in August. This is why I've been hearing a lot of people saying they have to find alternatives to coffee.
Well, to be fair, my grandmother would be 120 or something if she was still alive. So I'm just saying, that's what I think of Folgers. All right, let's go to McDonald's.
McDonald's. So this one is also in the red. Shares are down 1.5%. So this was after the burger chain was slapped with its only sell rating. We have Redburn Atlantic saying that the shifting consumer patterns due to weight loss drugs are cause for concern. So Redburn gave McDonald's a 2-notch cut from its previous buy rating.
This was a story 2 years ago.
I know, we saw this coming. Like, obviously, people want to be thin and maybe even healthy. Then they will cut down on fast food and sweets and donuts.
So this is what we were all worried about that didn't happen for the last year, and now it's happening.
I think it's because this is concrete. It's their first sell rating, and other analysts remain largely split. McDonald's has 22 buy equivalent ratings, 18 hold, and an average price target of 332. So the analyst there said that McDonald's can see as much as $428 million in annual impact to revenue. So it's a street low.
Number 2 with a Coke. It's been my order since I was 14.
This is actually true. So when we were in DC, well, he went to Shake Shack. We were in DC, he gets to the burger, finishes it in 5 minutes, and we're eating the salad with the pita thins and the olives and the tzatziki. Anyway, we digress. And speaking of, Novo Nordisk.
This one is also interesting, but it's in the green, up by almost 5% or more than 5%. So that's the highest level in 2 months. And it comes after a report from activist hedge fund Parvus Asset Management building a stake. And this comes after we know that the company has really been struggling. And it seems like Parvus is interested in influencing the appointment of the new CEO. So Novo last month replaced its CEO, which shocked everyone because the company's culture is very close-knit. They've only had 5 CEOs in their century-long history. But now investors seem to be cheering the move because Novo's drugs are Ozempic and Wegovy. They've become household names, but they've struggled to just really make it big and compete with their rivals.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.